To play the wolf survival game, you're going to need to start by opening up a virtual dice roller. If you open the game instructions on Canvas, you'll be given a roll the dice link here, or you can simply Google dice roller and you'll get a really simple one. But that's going to be the first thing you need is a dice roller. From there, what we're going to need to do is have our data table, and you're going to need, depending on which game you're playing, your information sheet here. So everybody starts with 2 wolves, and every single year that we play, we are going to be adding 3 wolves due to reproduction. So to start year 1, we will have 5 total wolves here. All right, this example says we rolled double 6s. So according to our table, when we roll a double 6, which we can see right here, we're going to add 1, and that means we have an extra pup this year. So roll double 6s, add 1, add extra pup for year. So we're going to take this number 5, bring it all the way to the end, add that 1 we just rolled, and that gives us the number 6. So everybody's going to start year 2 with the number 6. We're just bringing this total number all the way to the next year. We're going to repeat this process. So we're going to take year 6, or excuse me, not year 6, we're going to take our 6 wolves, and we're going to again add 3 due to reproduction. That's going to give us a total of 9 wolves to start off year 2. From here, we are going to need our dice roller. You do need to have 2 dice. So you're going to want to have 2 of these blue 6 squares, and then you'll hit the roll button, and that'll give you what you roll. So in this case, we roll a 4 and a 6, which gives us a total of 10. So coming back to our informational sheet, we're going to find our dice adding up to the number 10. So go through all of these options, and here you'll see dice adds up to 10. And again, that's not a double 5. You'll read what it says in the U column, which says make no change. And that's what we're going to type here, make no change. And we're going to write down, based on what our dice of number 10 equals, we're going to write down that the pack lives well for the year. So pack lives well. All right, so because we're having no change, we're still going to bring this number 9 across here to our total for the year. So there's 9. We have no change though, so we're not adding anything. We're going to be just basically adding 0 to the year. So we're not adding, we're not subtracting, we're not dividing. There's nothing happening. So our number will stay 9. So we're going to take this number 9 from here and again bring it down to our next row. Every time we go to a new row, we are starting a new year. So we'll have our 9 plus 3 again, which gives us 12. And then you would roll again. So I'm going to go back to our dice roller, hit the roll button. And this time we have 6 and 3, which totals 9. So our dice add to 9. So we look through our data sheet and we find dice adding up to 9. Again, we make no change, so our pack will live well for the year. Make no change. All right, and again, we're going to take this number 12 here, bring it all the way over to our end column. We're going to add 0 to it, and that will give us a total of 12 to start year 4 with. So repeat one more time, 12 plus 3 will give us a total of 15 wolves to start year 4 with. We are now at the point that we need to roll our dice, so I will roll one more time to demonstrate. Here we have a 4 plus a 3. That's going to total 7. And by luck we'll have it, our dice is going to add up to 7, meaning we can make no change again. So our pack is going to be surviving really well for these first few years. All right, so at the end of this round, we would still have 15 wolves because we make no change. If you happen to get the divide by 2, okay, so for instance, we have 15 divided by 2, that's not going to be a whole number, so that would be 7.5. In the event that you have a decimal like that, I want you to round down because we can't have half of a wolf. So you'll go down to a pure 7, and you would have those 7 wolves if you got that divide by 2 example. So have fun. Good luck.